Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you so fine. Welcome to our English session. In this session, we will start Unit 6, Animals and Nature. Animals are living creatures. Nature, everything around us. So, if we talk about animals, we can say, for example, zebra, elephant, butterfly, bear, lion, deer, wolf, horse, cheetah, monkey, elephant, panda, tiger, fox, rabbit, kangaroo, bat, snake, turtle, goat. Again, we can repeat after me. Repeat after me. Zebra, elephant, butterfly, bear, lion, wolf, horse, cheetah, monkey, giraffe, panda, tiger, fox, rabbit, kangaroo, bat, snake, turtle, goat. Zebra has got long tails. Elephant has got long nose, big ears. Butterfly, it's a beautiful. It has got many colors. Bear, it has a fur. Lion, it's a dangerous animal. Lion, it's a dangerous animal. It eats meat. Giraffe, the giraffe has got long neck, and the giraffe has got small head. Deer, wolf, horse. The horse is a strong animal. We can ride it. It runs quickly. Cheetah, it's a fast animal. Cheetah is a fast animal. Monkey or ape. Monkey can live in trees and it can climb trees. Panda live in cold places. Tiger. The tiger is very fast. Fox. Rabbit. If we talk about the rabbit, it's a pet. We can keep it in our home. The rabbit gives us delicious meat. Rabbit, we can eat its meat. It's a delicious meat, especially if you eat it with a green soup. Kangaroo, it can jump. Bat, snake is a dangerous animal. It's thin and long. Turtle, The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Goat. Goat is an animal. We can keep it in our home. It gives us meats and milk. You can drink milk and eat meats. Now we will talk about new vocab, parts of the body. If we describe this picture, he is a boy or he is a human. He is a boy. This is a face. Nose, nose, ear, head, hair. So, tooth, singular and plural teeth. Neck, arm, this arm. Elbow, hand, finger, finger. Knee, knee. This part is belly, chest, and leg, foot, plural feet. So, we can read our new vocab. Eye, nose, nose, mouth, 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 lips, lips, tooth and teeth, tongue, tongue, hair. In the morning, I wash my hair and comb my hair. Arm, shoulder, elbow, foot, face, hand, finger, ear, knee, nail, tongue, knee. Now repeat after me. I, plural, eyes. Nose, nose. Mouth, mouth. Hair, hair. Arm, arm. Shoulder, shoulder. Elbow, elbow. Foot, foot. Face, I wash my face. Hand, I can write with my hand. I can say good morning and sign with my hand. Finger, I can use my finger to touch things. Finger, plural, fingers. Ear, ear, plural, ears. Knee, ear, ears, knee. Nail, nail. I can talk by my tongue. Knee, knee. Ear, heel. Nail, tongue, knee. Knee, knee. This is knee and this is heel. Foot, feet in plural. Now we will move to the second part. Have and has got. Have and has got. We use have and has got to express about possessions. For example, we can use have got, has got. Have got used with plural subject. I, we, you, they, and plural. Has got used with he, she, it, singular. We can use I, we, you, they, plural, have got. He, she, it, singular, has got. Now we can take some examples about have got and has got. Example number 1. If we talk about the giraffe, the giraffe has got a long neck. We use has got because it's preceded by singular subject. And if we use another example, the boys have got a new pants. Here we use have got, and here has got. Why we use here has got and here we use have got? We agree that we use have got with a plural subject and we use has got with a singular subject. Here the giraffe is singular, one giraffe. But here the boys, they are plural, Not one boy, but they are more than one. The boys have got new pens. And now why we use along and we use new pens. Here we use along because neck is singular. So we use a before or preceded the adjective. But here we can't use a because pens is a plural noun. Another example, but now we will take have got and has got with yes or no questions. The form of yes or no questions have, has, plus subject plus got. We can make a question. Have you got a new camera? Why we use have? Because the subject you, plural. So we use have. And got, past participle. If we answer about this question, we can say yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. If we answer no, we use not. Yes, I have. So now we will make a WH question. The form of WH questions question word plus have or has plus subject plus got question mark. For example, what has the draft got? What has the draft got? Why we use here has? We use has because the draft is singular. If we put here s, the drafts, we can turn it to have. So the drafts are plurals, not singular. Group. Now we will remove our it's. If we make some questions, choose number 1. The elephant space got big ears. Have got or has got or having or haven't. Number 2. You can answer this question as a homework. The girls space got a new box. The girls have got or has got, having, hasn't. Number 3. Have space got a big house. Have he, have she, have you, have Ahmed. And goodbye, our students. Before we will finish, I wanted to say this sentence. We should appreciate our school efforts. Our school do the best to improve the educational system. So we make these videos to keep you in touch. Goodbye. See you later.